Sioux City. Down along that track, lost a home and a family, and you won't be coming back without love. Where would you be right now without love? Central and a Southern Central freight. You gotta keep on pushing, mama, 'cause you know they're running late without love. Where would you be right now without love? Will the piston keep on turning? We'll go round and round. Be now. Got to keep on moving on and moving on. See the laundry road. Zo'n dubbies.